Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will be teaching you how to create sliding text animation in Wix. So let's just begin. So here, as you can see, I was working on this site and I have this amazing text in here that I want to apply an animation. So let's just do that. Right click onto this and let's just say this is the text on which you want to apply your animation. Head over to animation and effects, and then you will be able to see we have multiple options in here, and the one that we need is slide. So this is how it should look, and then it is now added. So what you can do is simply preview it. So let's just really quickly do that. I'm gonna be heading over to the preview section and just click on done. All right, so click on preview and let's just see how it looks. So this is the site, and you're able to see once you scroll down and the slide animation basically occurs. How good this is. You can apply it on different part of text as well, and it is going to be looking really amazing.